Ah, yeah.
So they see the positional rotates exactly like we will see in future.
This is what's
for the
going
vision.
to happen, and then the big Terminator thing comes out.
Yes.
And then it's going to tap the zones to get the proper position, and then it's going to start spraying goo.
And it's called touch sensing. You see here.
So this is just the what do you call it? The pre-show.
Yes, it's a pre-show. It's a visualization.
All right.
So we may understand whether what we will achieve finally is what we need.
Right.
Okay. So just to be on the safe side.
Yeah.
See? But actually, in production, you don't need this. You may rely on that we already produce good trajectories and so on.
Cool.